Hello all, a very good afternoon to all of you. So we are here to understand about the Informatica Powercenter, one of the ETL tool, and to for most of the ETL activities. So here is a demo on the Informatica Powercenter training. What this whole demo or the training will contain, we will be describing here. So a brief about me. So I am having 7 years of IT experience and working with various clients, but the major clients on the side will be pharma, insurance, and energy. And these all clients, I work with them over the ETL end-to-end solutions. ETL end-to-end solutions means taking their data from their data marts or from their databases and providing them to end-to-end solutions with the help of ETL tool or ETL methodology. Second thing, delivered and tuned many ETL end-to-end solutions. Delivery means from scratch till end we have delivered, and we have also tuned many of the means myself also tuned many of the ETL solutions. Tuning means whatever they want, their performance, their profit means in what terms you want to understand, you can understand it. And again, I'm also having some experience over the open source tools such as NiFi and such as Grafana dashboards. So these are the open source tools, and some of the ETL tools also, ETL open source tools. Okay, some of the open source DB also has MongoDB, CockroachDB. These are different things. And I'm also having experience of corporate training. I'm also having some experience over the reporting tools such as Power BI, Tableau, as well as Google Data Studio. So these all three are the same reporting tools, okay, but their name is different because the product is being owned by the various different companies, corporates, or organizations. So moving to the next slide now. So what our scope of demo will be, first we will be giving you a basic understanding of what is ETL, what is extract, what is transform, what is load, how we will extract the thing, how we will transform it, and how we will load to the target. Okay, so in a layman language, if I want to understand is what is ETL, so that is from a raw or a junk data to a fine solution, okay, which you can portray, which you can report, which you can describe as, yeah, this is my profit, this is my sales, this is my manufacturing output in this way. Okay, so these ETL technologies will be given by, there are various tools in the market for this ETL technology or methodology, whatever you say. Okay, so there are various tools such as the leading tool on the Gartner part will be the Informatica Powercenter. Then there is Data Stage. Then there is Alteryx. Then there is uh, SSIS. Many of the ETL tools are there in the market. So I'll be describing you all the ETL tools that are present in the market and what is their functionality and why we choose Informatica only as a leader. Okay. After this, I'll be taking through you. I will be taking to you over the Informatica Powercenter installations. Okay, how we will install the Informatica. Okay, how we will develop the logic, how we will develop the mapping, how we'll be developing the session, how we'll be going to develop a workflow, and how we'll be going and how they are going to be ran in our system. Okay, they will be running in our system. Correct. With the help of various Informatica client tools such as Informatica Repository Manager, Informatica Workflow Manager, Informatica uh, Workflow Monitor, okay, Informatica Designer. So these are the various client tools through which I'll be giving you all the details, all the fine techniques about the Informatica Powercenter development. Okay, after this in the development, I'll be going through all each and every transformations. Okay, transformation plays the one of the major role, or you can say one of the basic role is done by the transformations only. You can extract the data, but how you will transform it, what are the different transformation which are you going to be used as per your logic. Okay, as per your logic, as per your end result, which will provide your end result. Correct. So in this way, the main the main aim of this ETL is the transform, and we will be going to we are going to transform the raw data into fine data with the help of various transformations. And these transformations are having various categories such as active, inactive, or you can say active, passive, connected, unconnected. What are various transformations, source qualifier, lookup, filter, aggregator, and whatnot. Okay, so this will be the scope of demo from installation to delivery. This will be our scope of demo. Okay, so I think you all are clear till now. So can we move to the next slide? Okay. So next slide will be the course outline. Okay, how our course will be going through these all 20 days or what not means what are the days of tenure. Okay, so our course outline will be from installation of Informatica, okay, from then development of logic, then development of mappings, then development of session, and development of workflows. Okay, then Informatica transformations explanation. Okay, then real-time Informatica development experience. Okay, see, there are various you can say various videos, okay, on our social medias, various PDFs are there, but they won't provide you a real time experience. Okay, I'll be giving you a real time experience. See, in this way you are going to any project. Okay, you are getting this document, you are be going to in you are going to make your logic in this way. Okay, then you are going to develop your mapping, then you are going to develop your workflow, and at the last you are going to deliver your project. Okay, so the real time experience will be given by us, okay, over all this topic, from installation to the delivery of the project we will be giving you. And at the end of every session, I'll try to give you an answer. Not try, I will give you an assignment, okay, with respect to every topic covered. You will be getting an assignment, okay. You have to complete and we can discuss it in the next sessions. Okay, I'll try to take as much as query you want to ask me. Okay, I'll try to resolve it, I'll try to take it. Okay, so the basic aim of this course will be the real-time experience which you will be getting from us in this Informatica Powercenter training. Okay, so that is what I want to highlight here in this course outline. The real-time experience, how you will be getting a mapping document from the client, how you will be getting the BRD document, how you will be getting the requirement document from the client, then you will be getting the mapping document, and how you will inculcate or interpret that mapping document into the Informatica logic. That is the major thing. Okay, yeah. Okay, let us move to the next topic or next slide. So course curriculum will be first of all introduction to Informatica. Okay, then their client tools as Informatica Designer. Okay, as an introduction. Okay, and Informatica Designer Advanced means how or what are the various options present in that designer window. We will explain you each and every uh, options present there in that designer window. Okay, then the second Informatica Powercenter client tool, that is the workflow manager. How workflow manager works, what all we can develop in that workflow manager, how we'll be creating the sessions, how we'll be creating the workflow, how we'll be creating the map packs, okay, and whatnot in the workflow manager. Okay, then working with the task, the various tasks that we can create in the workflow manager. Okay, then Informatica advanced feature. Okay, advanced feature, as I say that, yeah, okay, so various different transformations, okay, various other connectivity work or ODBC connectivity work or various data sources through which we can connect. These are all the Informatica advanced features. Then we will be having the practice test and interview questions. Okay, and I will be providing you some of the downloads. Okay, for each and every transformations. So suppose we teach or we had a discussion over a transformation as source qualifier. Okay, so I'll be providing you a download over the source qualifier with each and every step, each and every minute understanding of that source qualifier. You will be going to download it, okay, so that you have a note of all these points. Okay, so going through, you will once go through it, okay, so that you can remember it whenever you want. So this type of download I will be going to provide you in a form of PPTs for all the transformations. Okay, so this will be the source curriculum, and apart from this source, apart from this course curriculum, we will also having some of the other topics as Informatica workflow, Informatica workflow monitor, Informatica repository manager. Okay, so these all I will cover in my course. Okay, so there is nothing else which will be missed out. So next slide. So add-on topics here will be the detailed explanation, okay? And I'll be giving you some of the mock interview questions at the end of the course completion, okay? The mock interview questions that is from the Unix, that is from SQL also, that is from Informatica also. So that you are a full complete bunch of Informatica developer, okay? If you face any interview or if you want to go for any certifications, you will have all the basic ideas, all the basic techniques about the Informatica so that you can clear your every hurdle and you can come with a flying colors. Okay. And at the last, I'll also help you in the resume creation. I'll be sharing you some of the sample resumes at the end of the session. Okay. So that you have an idea how the resume will be created. Okay. How a resume of an Informatica Power Center developer looks like. Okay. Okay. So next slide. So additional course resources apart from this development side, I will also take a session on the Informatica Power Center admin. Okay. Power Center admin activities. What are the various Power Center admin activities? Being a developer, you will also have an idea of what all admin will do. Okay. What all Power Center admin will do in your team, in your project. After this, I will also take a session on basic Linux and SQL, which will be used as a part of an Informatica Power Center development. So these will be the additional points which will be provided from our end to you. Okay. So till this point, anything, any doubt or anything which you want to clear, please let me know. Okay. So shall we move to the next slide? Okay. So this slide is about the various project which I was a part. Okay. So as I told you in a very first slide or second slide that I majorly work with the three domain client that are energy, pharma, and insurance. So see, energy is one of the most what you can say, it is one of the most expand sector of the various country. Okay, because in every country there will be no energy generation, they are only buying energy from one country to another. Okay, so the major issue is over the consumption of energy. Okay, how you will calculate the consumption on each and every basis with the help of a database. Correct. So we have provided an end-to-end solution. We have created a mapping. We have portrayed that mapping end result to a dashboard. Okay. Our BI developers that will portray our end result, our Informatica developer end result in a dashboard. Okay. So in this way, I was a part of that project and which helped them to increase their profit year to year because we have removed or cleared their junk data. Okay, that contains okay consumption is here, consumption is there. So we have tuned their uh, solutions. Okay, so the next project will be the pharma domain, and you can see pharma from the drug discovery till the drug delivery, it will take around 15 to 20 years. Okay, and a pharma industry will only get a license, okay, for 20 years. So if they use their 15 years of time, okay, in that process of clinical trials, in that process of studies, okay, so they have only 5 years to make the production and earn the profit from that. Okay, so we have reduced that 15 years of time into approx 11 or 12 years. So now they have a span of 7 to 8 years to produce it, to sell it, and to make profit. Okay, so in this way their drug studies and drug production process became faster. Okay, the third project which I was a part of it was of insurance domain. Okay, so insurance domain means the basic thing over the insurance is of the claims. Okay, in US, in UK, the the major chunk of a government budget is over the insurance. Okay, so they provide the insurance to each and every citizen. Okay, and there each and every citizen claims that in the insurance process. Okay, so to make it faster the claim process, we have delivered end-to-end solutions to our clients. Okay, for insurance domain client. Okay, so these are the only description on a very high level. Okay, uh, when we will be going through our training, okay, I'll be giving you examples. Okay, I'll be showing you a real time things. Okay, in this way we have delivered the project. Okay, we have uh, cut down their claim process timings. Okay, so these are the various project which I was part of it. Okay, so next slide. Okay, so the lab setup should be here. The prerequisites are high-speed internet, desktop or laptop you should be having. Okay, the system requirement will be Microsoft Windows or Microsoft Windows 8 or above, 500 GB of hard disk or SSD. Okay, memory of 16 GB, CPU of 4 cores, and MS Office is of 2016 or higher. Okay, so this is the thing. Small interviews. I'll be taking your mock interviews. Okay, so the basic thing or the foremost thing in this mock interviews will be I'll be asking you questions. Okay, that are based on the real time experience or a real time scenarios. Okay, only real time interview questions will be asked after this training. Okay, so that you have an idea about all the real time experience of Informatica. Correct. If you don't have any background experience of Informatica, also, I'll be asking you real time questions. Okay, I'll be, I'll be giving you all the real time interview questions also. Correct. Okay, and I try to answer each and every student query. Okay, each and every student questions. Okay, as much I can, so that nothing left to answer. Correct. If you ask me 50 questions, I try to give answer of all 50 questions for the session. Correct. Yeah. If you want any clarification also on any other question, I'll be emailing you the clarification or any support document with that questions. Correct. And based off that mock interview, you can clear any of the technical interviews. See, means if you having a real time experience, if you know how Informatica is installed, is delivering a big organization, big MNC, surely you will clear any of the technical interview. Correct? Nothing as such. If you are having the knowledge from basic to advanced of Informatica, you will surely crack any of the interview. There is nothing as such. Informatica is a very simple ETL tool apart from all the tools in the industry. Okay, this is only a UI based tool. Just a basic understanding will let you crack each and every technical interviews. But if you are having a real time scenario, you will be able to explain in a very good manner, and they will surely take care. Okay, please come with us. Okay, they will surely call you. So this is the thing. This type of mock interview I'll be taking after this session or after each topic. I'll be having a check of mock interview questions I'll be asking. Okay, and you all will be giving your answers. Okay, I'll be recording the same, or I'll check them all the points. Okay, that this guy is not answering a better way, so I'll work with you. Okay, I'll provide you like, okay, do it in this way, do it in that way. Okay, so there's nothing to worry. So next slide will be the certification part. Okay, so what type of certifications you will be you are eligible after this type of training. Okay, so the certifications will be Informatica Powercenter Developer Certification. You can qualify after this training. Okay, from our Informatica vendor. There is nothing as such. Okay, so this type Powercenter Developer Certification 10x will be valid for around 2 years, and after this you have to again certify it. Okay, if you want to, but after one time of certification, you are a certified Informatica Powercenter Developer. That's it. Okay. So after course completion, okay, you'll be getting a certificate from our side, from MindMajix, okay, that will having that, yeah, okay, you there is a certificate of achievement. Congratulations, your name, okay, and you have successfully completed our training program in Informatica Powercenter training, Informatica Powercenter development, okay, our training program in Informatica Powercenter development, okay, it be issued from our end to you, okay, you can upload it over LinkedIn, over other social sites, okay, so that people got to know like, okay, this guy is having the Informatica Power Center experience, okay, so we should contact him or her, okay. So this type of course completion certificate will be given from our end. So this is the whole training program, okay, which we will be going to deliver to you, okay, in this way. So yeah, thanks for attending the demo. Okay, please share your feedbacks and contact us for queries and related to course scope, schedule, references, cost, and payment options. Okay, please share your feedback and please get back to us. Okay, our email ID is there, info@mindmajix.com. Okay, India people can call on this number and US people can call on this number. Okay, so that's all. That's all about this presentation.